Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new GitHub repository. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we need to log in first. So in the upper right corner, you're going to have the login button. And if you do not already have an account, you can just use the sign up button to go and create an account. And once you have logged in, we can get started. So by logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can take a look at all our repositories. We can take a look at our home page where we can find all our home info and so on. And now we can get started. Basically, guys, making repositories in the browser in GitHub is very easy and only takes a couple of clicks. Basically, guys, we can immediately create a new repository just by clicking right here at the left side screen. As you can see, it shows us our repositories and we have a button, the green button that says new. By clicking new, guys, it's going to go ahead and enable us to create a new repository. It's going to enable us to enter in the repository name that we want to use, give it a description if it's going to be public, private, and so on. And we can even add a readme file. So anything you want to use, you can click right here, and after that just click create. Once you have clicked create, guys, it's going to go ahead and start appearing in your repository. So here at the left side screen, you can take a look at all your repositories. You can even go and click your profile icon right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to open up all the repositories that you have by clicking your repositories, and this is where you can find it. And now you can get started with editing it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.